This, uh, this is one of my books that I wrote some time ago, and a sample has just arrived from the United States. Wow. Okay, this is a book, His Great Grace Breaks Barriers. A very powerful book I wrote. This is actually the second book I wrote in the over 20 books I've written so far. And it talks about everything grace, what it is, what it is not, what it does not do. In fact, everything grace is here, and even goes as far as explaining the special grace of God, which is His great grace, mega charis. This book is on Amazon, both the hard copy and the soft copy. Get a copy for yourself, and you'll be so glad you did. It's one of the most comprehensive rendering of the concept of grace in our Christian faith. Get a copy and you'll be so blessed. Amen.